Hello and welcome everyone. My name's Christian and I'm a fully qualified English language teacher. And today's lesson is all about the present perfect simple. How do we use it? When do we use it? And I'm going to give you a very brief description of this tense. So let's start. So the present perfect simple, we use have or has plus the past participle. So it's have or has plus the past participle. For example, I have been to Spain. So I have been to Spain. This is an example of a present perfect simple sentence. So when do we use this tense? I'm going to give you a very, very brief overview. We usually use this tense to talk about finished actions in the past, but at no specific time. So for example, I have eaten fish and chips many times in my life. You don't know when. So we usually use it to talk about finished actions in the past at no specific time. Now, there are four main uses or situations when we use the present perfect simple. So we use it to talk about life experiences. For example, I have swum with turtles and whale sharks. We use it to give new information. For example, this year, I have bought a house. So I'm giving you some new information. We use it to talk about recent actions. For example, I have just spilt coffee on myself. So maybe I'm drinking, I have just spilt coffee on myself. Okay. Or I have already had a shower. So I have already had a shower. So these are recent actions. They might also be recent actions with importance. So spilling coffee on yourself because it's important now. Or for example, I have lost my keys. Where are my keys? So I have just lost my keys. It's a recent action, but again, there's present importance. Or finally, we use this tense to talk about changes. Maybe changes in your life, changes at your company, changes in your country. For example, in the past 5 years, I have moved house or I have changed my job. Okay, these are changes in your life or at your company or maybe in your country to talk about general changes. So just as a quick recap, there are exceptions, we usually use the present perfect simple to talk about finished actions in the past, but no specific time. We can use time phrases that are unfinished or indefinite. I'll just give you a few example time phrases that we can use in the present perfect below, so you can just look at those. So we usually use it to talk about finished actions, usually no specific time. And we use it to talk about life experiences. We use it to give new information. We use it to talk about recent actions that might have present importance. And we use it to talk about changes. Hopefully that's been very useful to you. If you would like to learn more, please go to my website, which is www.conversably.co.uk. And if you would like to book a lesson, you can do that through this website. Have a good day, everyone. Goodbye.